friends, today I'm drawing letter G. Can you name some words that start with letter G? Giraffe starts with letter G. G for gift. Grapes start with letter G. Pink. Can you guess another word that starts with letter G? G for guitar. Blue. Glass starts with letter G. Green. G for goose. G for giraffe. G for gift. G for grapes. G for guitar. G for glass. G for goose. See you in the next video.